Hello, this is Barry from Wave. How's it going? Here's a new video on Bitcoin. Today we're going to take a look at Bitcoin, see what's happening and what could be happening. This is with theory, as always. Please remember, I'm not a financial advisor, therefore any ideas expressed in this video is my own and does not constitute financial or trading advice in any ways. So, what's happening? You guys probably noticed already last week move down, which was quite aggressive. You could say, well, how did that happen? Could we expect that? Well, obviously, if you're a long-time subscriber and you've been following my channel, you would know that I have been tracking down different scenarios. Now, before we go into that, I'd like to remind you that as I'm very close to hit the 2,000 subscribers mark, which I thank you very much for this milestone to all of you guys. I was thinking, and I will be giving out a free call where we can discuss about Elliott. You can ask me anything. We can talk about the market in general. It's up to you what you want to talk about. To one lucky subscriber, all you have to do is just subscribe in this video. All you have to do is just leave a comment in this video, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this analysis. And I'll just select a random winner for this 1 hour. It could be 2 hour. We'll see about that call with me. So, what are the scenarios we can identify in Bitcoin? Well, we had, I should say, the triangle. Now, I said this many times during my previous video. The moment potential wave C of the triangle gets broken, then we are one step closer to have the triangle scenario invalidated. And then the moment we have wave A, potential wave of a triangle broken, then we know we're not longer into the possibility in the scenario of an upcoming triangle in wave 4. So we were ready for that, and now we have two alternatives, which they have been the same for quite a long time, several months. Obviously, at the time, I was given more credibility to the triangle scenario, but now obviously things have changed. We've never seen an impulsive move off the lows. When we bottom here, I never saw this as impulsive. I identified this as corrective. Therefore, I was expecting that we could have broken that low. Definitely with this move, I was not expecting further upside to come. So with that being said, now we have two possible scenarios. Number one, WXY, so a complex. Theory is down in W, theory is up in X, theory is down in wave Y. ABC in A, ABC in B, triangle in wave B of B. Let me mark that up for you. ABC right there. And that would be WXY. And then 5 ways down, potential wave Y. Now, I could see further downside to come. I could also see, I could squeeze this in here. But to be honest, what I see is, I'll just zoom in for a little. So you can see what I see. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for wave 3. So that's just my take on it. Alternatively, there's obviously XY. Interesting thing about that is that we already passed the equality of potential wave Y and X. However, we've touched the trend channel. How do we do the trend channel? Said it many times. We just connect wave 1 and 3, project to 2, and you get the estimate for potential wave 4. So we know we are in a territory of potential support stepping in. And obviously, the moment we broke this low, orders have been triggered, which obviously generated the move higher. Now, that's why I'm saying also that I believe this move higher, just a correct move, we will see another low, and then, only then, potentially, obviously, nothing is certain in the market, and with Elliott, same thing, we can see further upside. So I guess we'll have to see. Alternatively, we have potential just a flat, expanded flat. Now, one thing I have to say is that I do not identify this move down from the all-time high as a 5-wave move. I see this as a 3-wave move, ABC. You could argue it's 5, okay, but it just doesn't look like it. You could squeeze a very small 2. I guess you could kind of like this, somehow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But does it look nice? Not to me. It looks more like a three-wave move. Look at this. I mean, this looks like it's been taken from a textbook, from the Elliott wave principle. This, not so much. So, obviously, we like to see the geometry of the market, and that does not respect the geometry of the market. So, with that being said, that opens up the possibility to an Elliott wave triangle. Sorry, an Elliott wave diagonal into wave C, where wave 1 is allowed to be in 3 subwaves. So ABC for 1, ABC for wave 2, potential wave C for, wave A for wave 3, or could wave 3 already be completed? Not sure. Well, what I'm sure about, at least if this kind is going to be proven to be correct, is that we'll see further downside, and then at that point, you can see upside to come. So, one last thing I have to mention is that there is a possibility, let me drag that in here, there is a possibility that maybe this wave 4 is here, this wave 5 is here, because I can identify this as a 5-wave move. I just squeeze it in there. So that could be 5, and this being some part, potential even could be the beginning of this correction. So down, up, down, or else it could be just a wave 1, 2, and then we will see much further upside in Bitcoin. So that was about it for me today. Very brief update on what are the scenarios, and then further on into the week, I'll see if I can make a video on the most specific scenario, and obviously let me know if you'd like to see that. Again, friendly reminder, if you want to have the opportunity to win a free call with me, just let me know what you think about this video, subscribe, and I'll select one winner the moment I hit, hopefully soon, 2,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.